Do you want to be able to know exactly how to use your Wolt promo code? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use it. So basically the easiest way to use your Wolt promo code is to firstly just select the items or the food that you want to be able to order. So I'm just going to take this one as an example. I'm just going to choose this one right here, and I'm just going to click it to add order in the bottom right corner. Then I'm going to click on view order, as you can see down below, and then you should be taken to this page right here where you can click on go to checkout in the bottom, as you can see, because then it should now take you to this page, which is great. So now on this page, what you're going to do is to just slightly scroll down in here until you can see where it says redeem code. So click on redeem code, because then you should now be taken to this page. So as you can see, if you have a Wolt gift card or promo code, enter it in here below to claim your benefits. So just enter your code in here and then click on submit, and that will automatically, or at least it should automatically apply to your order if it's like a promo code or a gift card that actually works. So you can just enter it in here, click on submit, and then you will see right away if the price on your order will actually change or not. But basically this is exactly how to do this.